Hey everyone, Georgetown Soaps here. I am testing a fragrance that everyone loves, but everyone hates how it discolors. So this is pink sugar. And most of the pink sugars that I've ever used discolor to a really dark brown, black, ugly, gross color that just does not match the fragrance. I personally don't like to use color stabilizer because I let my soaps cure for 2 to 3 months. And then by the time I take them to markets or someone, would buy it from me, and then they would use it maybe, let's say they waited 2-3 months to use it. Now all of a sudden the color stabilizer is not there and their soap has turned from a really pretty soap to kind of something gross. It may still smell great, but it just doesn't look aesthetically as pleasing. So we are testing a similar fragrance that just doesn't have any vanillin in it, and we are hoping that it will perform as expected. So I made this soap on April 28th, 2018, and I'm doing this video. I'm doing the voiceover excuse me, on Friday, May 4th, 2008, and I looked at the soap this morning, and as of right now, it's not discoloring. There might be like a slight tinge of like maybe a little bit of brown, but it's nothing, I wouldn't even call it discoloring. So I'm super excited. It smells good, but we're still going to wait a couple more weeks to make sure that it doesn't discolor. I think, after the 2-3 weeks time frame, if it hasn't discolored, BeScented will probably go ahead and buy it. So it's super exciting. So just wanted to kind of ramble on about that. And I have pre-mixed, I started the video, everything was kind of mixed. I was starting to stick blend, added the fragrance. It obviously behaved well, didn't accelerate, didn't rice, and it really didn't thicken up. So it behaved fantastically. Again, I do a 2-to-1 water discount, and everything was going great. So love the fragrance, and just going to go ahead. I use the Pretty Pink mica, or I guess the Pretty Pink color. It's a pigment, not a color, mica. And then I used activated charcoal, and then I obviously did use some titanium dioxide for the white part, and we're just going to see what happens in a couple weeks, if it does discolor or not. And so I'm just going to get my colors all ready to mix in, do a little bit of drop swirl. Probably, I thought I was going to try a drop swirl, but then I just ended up going to chopstick swirl, and the cut turned out really nice. So enjoy this, and I'll bring you guys back for the cut.
She's waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her my heart covered as a gift, and hope that you'll take it into her side. La 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 la. Over the hills and far from mine, she's waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her my heart covered as a gift, and hope that you'll take it into her side. La 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 la. She's waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her my heart covered as a gift, and hope that you'll take it into her side. Over the hills and far from mine, she's waiting for love to be realized. I'll send her my heart covered as a gift, and hope that you'll take it into her side. La 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 la.
All right, and we're back for the cut. This is probably 36 hours after I made it. Stuck it in the oven, just didn't turn the oven on, so it did gel. And I'm loving the swirls. You can see that there is no discoloration at this point. It's pretty white as far as I'm concerned. So when I cut it, I was very, very hopeful that it would not discolor. But I was super, super thrilled with the swirls. I like the combination, the white, the black, and the bright pink. So thanks for watching. I'll keep you guys updated on the discoloration, and check out BeScented in a few weeks to see if it is available. Thanks so much for watching and subscribing. Have a great day.